What's going on, co-rollers? This is Po Boy coming back at you. Hey guys, it seems like every time we give it a go, it's one step forward and 3 steps back. We need to talk. What is up, co-rollers? Now, I know you guys may be wondering because I said every time I do a step forward, I take 3 back. Now, this is in a way very real. You guys know we've been taking apart the trucks, and as of yesterday, we had a little something come by, and we're gonna have to put the gas bomb, that's the gray truck, back together. We're gonna have to put, you know, the whole front back on her, and just keep in mind that every time you go 3 steps back, and what I mean by that is I had already taken them off and I gotta put them back on. It's not always a bad thing, but I'm gonna let you try to figure it out and see what's going on. Leave a comment to see what you think it is that I'll be doing. Now, there's some of you that do know, which I talked to, so let's see how the other people react and to see what all you guys think. But like I said, not always going back is a bad thing. So let's jump right into the video and get things started. And at the end of the video, I'll let you all know exactly what we're doing. So see you in a bit.
All the wrongs and every reason why we've changed. And there's a storm inside my head. It's getting me in trouble, baby, and I can't break away. I thought that I could keep it low. Take it easy, take it slow. Slow, take it slow. Ended up just like before, so take it easy.
Alright, co-rollers, so we're back in the studio, all cleaned up. As you guys were able to see, we had to put, you know, all the fenders. We put on the bezel underneath the headlights. We also did the headlight headers and the grill and all that stuff. However, I know you guys noticed that I was putting some cardboard pieces on the back side of the grill. Now, the reason for that is because, and here's the trick, we are gonna do a full fiberglass front clip on the truck. Now, I know you guys may think, but they sell those already. Yes, they do. They are $1,599 and it's about $600 shipping. So with that in mind, you're looking at, you know, a little bit over $2,000, and I'm not prepared to pay that. Our finances are not at that point where we could just, you know, splurge like that for, you know, certain parts. However, we are going to be trying and doing an attempt to make them. It's been ages upon ages upon ages since I've worked with fiberglass. However, I'm not the type of person who just gives up. So I'm going to give it my best go, or how you guys call the good old college try, and we'll try to make that part up. But yeah, just wanted to give you guys a base update and let you know exactly what it was that we had planned for the truck. And yeah, we've been basically doing little by little. I know it's been a while since we put up the last video, but had to take a little break, do a couple, you know, personal stuff that I had to take care of. And but we're back, and you know, we're gonna be continuing with the build. If not, if everything goes well with the molds, I may be able to, you know, start selling a couple of them, you know, but it would be on a per order basis, and I would have to custom make it at that time. So yeah, I'm giving it my best, and I'm gonna try to find every corner, every little loophole that I could do to save a buck, so that way the end result ain't so devastating. So yeah, I'm glad you guys are watching the video. Thank you always for supporting. I know it's a little bit shorter, not a lot of rambling from me today, but God bless you all, and let the coal roll.